Grab a glass, grab your favorite bottle. Gotta sip it slow, yeah, that's the motto. Get relaxed, no reason to trip. It's the boy Brocky Man, whiskey and kicks.
Let's do these real quick. Okay. We'll do one. These are Trina's joints I got for her.
Okay. Oh, right. Let's see.
Yeah.
Trina is officially in the game.
She's in the game, son. These joints are beautiful.
There is, and I know she is a northerner. She's a New Yorker through and through. And New Yorkers, there's always been this ongoing conversation about Harlem, and the Foamposites. But there isn't a more DC, Virginia, DC, Maryland sneaker than these puppies right here.
Yes, indeed.
And they're always so much doper on kids and girls.
Look at that size, yo.
That size.
The tiny
women,
shoe.
forgive me. Women. These are the eggplant joints. That's it.
That's it.
Like this is
not much to say. Purple's her favorite color, so it worked out.
And I'll tell you that when they first, I bought a pair of these. The very first ones that ever came out that were the white and light blue. I was working up against the wall, and we got them. And so the thing about DC is, the second these came out, everybody had them. And everybody was balling in them. And I actually bought them to play basketball in because they matched our uniforms for our base team. And they were just too thin. They were too thin
your
for
foot.
me.
You had a wide foot, right.
And not so much, they fit my foot. I'm just saying like the sole and all that. The very first iteration of them weren't as comfortable. Obviously, they've made a lot more changes to them
they feel pretty good on the inside.
And you can feel all the foam. They're Foamposites, right?
Yep.
But these are just
classic.
Man.
It's classic right there.
Come on, man.
I had to. I went to Major. I got them from Major, of course, and I was just talking. I went to talk business with Ducky, and I saw them. I was like, oh.
I gotta pick them up.
Get those.
What are we talking about? You got them in the lady sizes still around.
Gotta get those. There was like Yoon was telling me like, she said the black ones. She's like they was down the street for the black ones. She's like the line. She's like, but when these came out, she's like, they was around the corner. Yeah. So the line was around the corner. Yeah. They still had this size for her.
Yeah, man.
Perfect. You know what I'm saying?
They don't last.
You got it all memorized. I'm like, yo, you got a certain size. She was like, yep. I was like, yeah. Wrap them up. So yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? Gonna put those on the street soon.
Yeah, Yoon's photographic memory of their supply.
It's serious.
Is usually how the girls end up getting a whole lot of things that they didn't even ask for.